Ceiling fan blowing cold. I can tell you really
We're on our way to set up for my sister's surprise party.
And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Let me think about it.
We are family. Currently doing my hair right now, so it looks crazy. But we are diffusing. And we're getting ready for a surprise birthday party. And I'm so excited.
Still freaking nothing. I'm getting annoyed.
Yeah.
We have 69 people.
Oh, more people said yes?
Like, yeah, so.
You ain't gotta try to.
Okay, let's check it out. Also, last night, I took out my braids. So, this is like, I can't believe I'm wearing it out the next day. My braid girl did a really good job. Okay. Should I frame my face? Bangs? Should I cut bangs? Is that a lot? Yeah, let me not cut it. Okay. I was honestly thinking about chopping my hair off. Like, I know once when I cut it, it's gonna be like, but I'm kind of sick of doing hair. Especially with a child. Alright, I don't know if I like this. Let me blow it out. I feel like that's better. Already, I feel like I feel the difference a little bit. I'm wearing this because I have to set up, and I'm gonna throw jeans on with some sneakers and then change when I get there and we're finished setting up. Babe? Hi!
Give mommy a big hug, come on.
Come on, big hug, ready?
Give mommy a big hug.
Wait, no, mommy right here. Look.
Say bye-bye.
Say hi. 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 You're so cute. He's so cute. I go to daddy. Okay. My basement is like the storage place for parties. And my family. Look at this. We are ready for the party. So Britt rented a U-Haul to like bring all of this, plus there's other stuff in my office. And we gotta set up. We have a lot of work ahead of us, and thank God for Dad. Because Dad is holding it down with Kennedy. Very bad. Okay, maybe I won't cut it. Maybe, we'll see. It is 3:33 and I feel like it's go time. I ended up changing. Kennedy, we're putting on shoes. Kennedy is going with Dad. I'm putting shoes on right now. Oh my God, we're about to go hit the road. Jay just packed up the, not the car, but got everything ready for the U-Haul. Oh my God. We're supposed to be picking up balloons at, now it's 4:30, but, which is tight. Brittany, that is tight. We're throwing shoes on. I wasn't sure if tonight I should wear sneakers, like I have sparkly shoes, sneakers, or boots. But I think I'm gonna bring both and then outfit change and sneakers. Like, they're patent leather boots, and then I think I'm gonna swap it with like a furry blouse. I don't know, something, I feel like it's basic, but it's like enough, you know? You know what I mean, Kennedy? And my hair is up, I couldn't deal. It was cool out, it was really cool. I'm glad that, you know, but this is like more of my go-to. Manciano, Kennedy is on the slide. Ken, can you say go time? It's go time! I need lip gloss. What? Beep, 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 beep. My phone, so I'm loud. Need car keys. backstory to you really quick. So we went to Jamaica for my sister's 50th, but now my niece is throwing her mom, which is my sister, a 50th surprise party that she has no idea about. And weird, oddly, every year she, it's not weird, but she has a party on New Year's Eve because her birthday is New Year's Eve. So she's telling people that she's throwing herself a party, which is totally normal. But we're like, no, don't go to that party. Go to the day before, and then we're gonna celebrate through the night, like 12 o'clock, you know? So, you want Baba? Okay. Okay. She has a cup of milk. Here you go, Munchie.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy.
Look, do you want to say hi? Look how cute you look.
Hi.
Hi again. You're so pretty. So I packed up my car with my clothes to change. Laid out Jonathan's, Kennedy's outfit, and I did her hair already. She's silver. Theme is silver. So silver sparkles, right, Kenny? Okay, we gotta go, Mama. Oh! Oh, you ran away. Alright, I'm coming. Oh, back it up.
I can't.
Let me do it. Let me do it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we just packed up the U-Haul because their balloons are huge. And there was no way it's fitting in my little car. Even in like her Jeep, like no way. But following behind the U-Haul right now. These roads are bumpy, and I'm also in charge of the cake that's right next to me. Okay, I'm gonna get off the... Hello. Hey!
Let's fall deep down love. Tick-tock, time's out, but I make a move. Don't think twice now, you got things to prove. I'm not playing, I'm not hard to get. 'Cause when I saw you, there was nothing else. You got dreams and I got dreams, so let us open up about it. Maybe we will fit right in. You got dreams and I got dreams, so let's start making plans around it. Maybe we can dive right in. Oh, don't let me down. I think you're up songs, honey.
Oh, it's so pretty!
Don't fall around. You know I've been waiting, honey. Let's fall deep down in love. From young OG to the OG, from nosebleeds to floor seats, circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach. We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? We ready, been ready, I waited, my turn, on God, held steady. I keep dropping back to back, I keep going if you let me. I've been sitting at the top, looking down at those who left me. Promise I'm not being petty, I'm the one they envy. Brody moving state to state, make $1 million out to send me. Plus I grinded from the start, I I was stacking pennies, I might dip like Machiavelli. After the confetti, who ready? We ready. Who ready? We ready. Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Who ready? We ready. Who ready? We ready. Who ready? Who? We ready.
All I'm gonna say is I hope you enjoyed your food, but it's time to get on the dance floor because that is why you're here. Mom loves to dance, and that's what I wanted all of you guys here tonight for. So let's all get up. All of you, I'm staring at you. Lou, Nikita, Kenny, Athena, Tim, Tamika, Tina, Dan. All of you up, and let's get crazy. Woo!
Let's fall deep down in love.
Acknowledge Brittany to set this up. Brittany has been wanting to throw this party, God knows how long. I remember telling me several years ago I want to throw a big party for Mom, and you know, finally she's just done incredible things and has, you know, she did it all herself, everything about it. I know she had help, but I just thought that we would acknowledge her. And Andréa, come here, baby. I think it's just a couple words. Happy birthday. Thank you.